The video you're about to watch will show you how to set up your new Sterling soft-sided water mattress. Begin by unpacking all the boxes and getting everything ready to assemble. Assemble the heavy-duty 9-legged metal bed frame or wood riser in the location where the bed is going to be used. Make sure that you locate the foundation when you place it at least 3 inches from the wall so that you have the ability to tuck in your sheets and blankets. Next, take the sidewall bottom assembly that you see in the film and turn it upside down, inside out, on top of the foundation. This locates the corners and everything absolutely correctly. Now you're going to install the foam side rails and the foam head and foot rails. With the foam perimeter properly assembled, now we pull the sidewall assembly up into place carefully. Next, we're going to install the heaters, if a heater is used, or 2 heaters in the case of a dual system. A heater needs to be installed over a flat surface without any wrinkles underneath the pad or on top of the pad. The heater power cord is fed through a hole in the bottom of the assembly. Do not plug the heater in. Now we install the safety liner. This is a contour safety liner that fits over the water mattress itself. Locate it with the corners in the corner of the foam perimeter. This will help you set up the water mattress properly. Eliminate the wrinkles over the heater pad, and now get your water mattress ready to install. The water mattresses should be allowed to fill with air after they've been unfolded. We're going to remove the air after we fill the water, but what this does, it makes it easier to locate the water mattress properly without having to deal with a vacuum down wrinkled water mattress. It's a very simple way to do things. We are going to lift up the corner of the safety liner without moving the orientation or location in the foam perimeter, and just drop the water mattress in place. The mattresses should be in place with the fill valves at the foot of the bed, and where you have a dual system, there will be a divider that separates the 2 mattresses that is installed as shown. Now's the time to make sure that the water mattress is properly installed inside the contour safety liner and that everything is positioned properly head to foot and side to side within the foam perimeter. Open the mattress fill valve and install 8 ounces of Sterling water conditioner that will treat the water for the first year. Next, open the air vent valve if your mattress has a second valve, so that during the filling process, as the water enters the mattress, the air is leaving. This is going to speed us and make things much easier. We're using a standard waterbed fill and drain kit that adapts a common garden hose to the threads on the fill valve of your water mattress. In these kits, you will also have adapters that will allow you to connect to a household water faucet and let you use warm water, which is very desirable when you're filling your waterbed for the first time. With a dual mattress system, we partially fill mattress number 1 and then move the hose to mattress number 2, partially filling number 2. So going back and forth so that the mattresses remain properly located within the foam perimeter. Continue filling the mattress until the water level is even with the top of the foam perimeter. It's much easier to add water than to remove water, so you want to stop a little bit early, shut the water off going into the mattress, no need to disconnect the hose, and then you want to start removing the air from the bed. What you're going to be looking at is the use of an air extractor. Air extractor may be something you have. If it isn't a big problem. This just makes it easy to get the last little bit of air out, and people that are in the business use air extractors. You don't have an air extractor, this is the simple way to do it. You lay down at the head of the bed and you roll down the bed with the air valve open, and the air will come out of the mattress, and you can roll remarkably close to that valve without having any water come out. You need somebody to help you do it, unless you're really familiar with what you're doing. But now that we've got the air out, we're going to check the comfort level of the bed and then decide whether to add more water or not. Again, the water mattress is going to form properly if it is filled to the point where it is level with the foam perimeter. When you've got the air out of the bed, put the plug back into the fill valve, screw on the fill valve cap, do the same for the air valve, push them back down with your hand so that they are level with the top of the mattress, and then install the zippered panel cover, which begins up at the very head of the bed. Now, if you left 3 inches from the wall like you were instructed to do in the beginning, this is going to be an easy thing. Now you're ready to plug in the heater. Also, plan on removing air from the bed 2 or 3 more times over the next couple of months. Drinking water is aerated, and typically as temperatures of the water are increased, the dissolved oxygen comes out of solution and you end up with air in the water mattress from some mysterious place that has to be removed. Otherwise your bed will be noisy. Your waterbed is going to take between 2 and 3 days to heat up, depending on how cold the water was that was used to fill the bed. Start by setting your heater somewhere between medium and high, and after 3 or 4 days, adjust it up or down to suit your taste. Firmness is also adjustable, simply by adding or removing water. Plan to add 8 ounces of sterling water conditioner once a year, and if you have any questions or problems or need replacement parts, either visit us online at sterlingsleep.com or call us.